In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways in which you can profit massively off of cryptocurrency. The first method on our list is called arbitrage. Now, what arbitrage means is that you buy a cryptocurrency on one exchange for a certain price and you sell the same cryptocurrency on another exchange for a higher price. Because each exchange has their own prices for cryptocurrencies, if you buy low on one exchange and sell slightly higher on another exchange, you can make a fortune by doing this a lot and doing this properly. I've tried this method and it is really tricky and hard to do. You have to be very fast, quick thinking, and know your research. However, this is a method where you can make millions of dollars in a very short amount of time by being smart. If you do try this, I would recommend going very low at first, buy a very small amount of cryptocurrency, sell that same amount of cryptocurrency on a different exchange for a higher price, and see how it goes. After you learn how to do this properly, it can net you millions, as in the case in the Korean exchange. In Korea, multiple people have made millions of dollars using the arbitrage method. It is risky, but it's potential for enormous rewards. The next method on our list is much more reliable, consistent, and much more common. However, I have a little twist to put on it that I think you can also use, and it really could help you gain more money from this method, and the method is holding. Of course, when you hold a cryptocurrency and it goes up over time, that is the most solid, reliable way to make money from a cryptocurrency. If it's a good cryptocurrency that people believe in, and you've done your research on the cryptocurrency, chances are you're gonna make a profit from it. The twist is to buy a little bit of all the cryptocurrencies you believe in and monitor those cryptocurrencies. When you see that the cryptocurrency gains popularity and that more people are starting to look into that cryptocurrency, you put a little bit more. And then that way, as cryptocurrencies start to do a bit better, you can put in more money into your favorite cryptocurrencies and the ones you believe in the most and hold. Do not sell until you believe that they've reached either their peak or you want to pull out your profits or you get worried about some piece of news. Holding cryptocurrency and not selling is one of the best ways to make money off of it, and it even earned a term in cryptocurrency communities, HODL, and these types of people, holders or hodlers, are much more likely to make money than people who are using other methods. However, if you use all the methods together and you hold and you're smart and you do your research, you can make a fortune. Next method on our list, coming in at number 3, is staking and dividends. Now, certain cryptocurrencies give dividends, which means that they give you a certain amount of cryptocurrency back in return for having their cryptocurrency. I'll list down below in the description certain cryptocurrencies that give dividends. There's another method called staking where it's a similar concept. They give you a certain amount of cryptocurrency for putting your cryptocurrency into stakes. Doesn't mean you're risking your cryptocurrency, it just means that you're lending it to someone and they're giving you a certain amount back. The really cool thing about this is that if you do believe in the cryptocurrency that gives dividends and stakes, you're getting extra free dividends from the cryptocurrency. You don't have to do anything, you're just making extra cryptocurrency, and then when you sell more than you bought. This can help offset some of the risk, some of the losses that you might make on some of your cryptocurrencies. So it's a really great method of making extra money if you're interested in those cryptocurrencies. I'd recommend you do a little bit of research on those cryptocurrencies before getting involved, because obviously there's risk and not all the cryptocurrencies are gonna fly to the moon. Some of them might and some of them might not. The next method on our list is by far the most risky, and it's called day trading. Just like day trading in regular stock markets, day trading in cryptocurrency is one of the most risky, but also the potentially most rewarding way in making money. And it's very valuable in cryptocurrency because of the massive spikes of up and down that cryptocurrencies experience, much more so than traditional stocks. However, before you day trade, make sure that not only do you practice with a small amount of money first, but also that you're willing to lose money. Most day traders lose money, and so before you try this trick, make sure you understand how it really works and make sure that you never, ever sell when it goes down. You only sell when it goes up, and try to make sure you understand why it's going down, how far it's going to go down, and what is causing these ups and downs. When you understand the fundamentals and you believe in a certain cryptocurrency and you don't think it's about to crash, day trading is one of the most profitable ways to make money from cryptocurrency, but it's also one of the easiest ways to lose all of your money. So before you get involved in day trading, be careful, and if you do it, good luck. Method number 5 is mining. This is the final method, and it is a method which you can use to make money. Unfortunately, this method is harder to do nowadays for amateurs, and it does usually require an upfront cost. Not only do you have to buy the hardware and the software to mine, but you also have to have the know-how to really get involved. But it is a way you can get cryptocurrency not for free, but sort of for free. In other words, there's a cost for the electricity, for the hardware, for the software, but potentially over time, if you're good at it and you have the right software and hardware, you can make a lot of money. There's another way you can get involved as well, mining pools. You have to look it up and do a bit of research because each one is different and has their own rules, their own costs, and so on. But there are ways to mine and make good profits from cryptocurrency. If you're going to choose the mining route, you probably will have to pay a bit of money up front, and it's up to you if you think that's worth the risk. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you make insane profits from these methods, and may fortune smile upon you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.